welcome back to my channel. If you're new to my channel, welcome. Akwaba, bienvenue. Today, we'll be cooking Acheke and grilled tilapia. It's one of the favorite foods of Ivorians, and it's also eaten by the Zuma people of Ghana. So, enjoy my recipe. Don't forget to share and subscribe. So for our grilled tilapia with Acheke today, we'll need whole tilapia that's already been cleaned, Maggi arôme, that's a seasoning, some oil, salt, Acheke in a box. It's already like a dried Acheke you could get from any African store, parsley for the marinade, some bouillon of choice. I chose the onga, some garlic, rosemary, grain of Salem. In Ghana, it's called wintia. Some peppers, onion, ginger, lime, and some shallots. We'll also need allspice grains, some anise seeds, some cilantro seeds as well. And for our fresh veggies for the acheke, we'll need some tomatoes, green habaneros, some cucumbers, white onions, and purple onions or red onions. We'll also need a blender and hot water as well. So we're going to start with our tilapia. So what I'm going to do is right now cut up some lime, squeeze the juice on the tilapia, and put it on there to kind of get rid of the fishy smell. You don't want a strong fishy smell on your tilapia. So what I'm doing right now is just rubbing the lime all over the tilapia. It's already been cleaned, but I'm just putting the extra juice on there. So we put it away, wash our hands, and we'll start cutting up our veggies. We'll start with the cucumbers. We'll dice them. You could cut them in any sizes that you want, but I like them diced. So dice them and put them in a clean bowl. Next, we'll get our white onions and slice them. And then we add it to the diced cucumbers. So I like them thinly sliced. In any way that you like them, how you like your veggies in your acheke is how you're going to be putting it. Next is our red onions. I like them also diced and sliced. So like I said, any way you like them, you just slice them or dice them and put them together. And then our tomatoes. So what I'm going to do right here is just take out the seeds. You're more than welcome to put in the seeds as well, but I don't like tomato seeds in my side salad for my attieke. So what I'm doing is just taking out the seeds. And after that, I'm going to dice it and put it with the veggies that's already been sliced and diced. And we're almost done with our side salad. Next is our fresh peppers. I use 1 green habaneros and about a couple of green Scott bonnet peppers. I dice them and we're almost done. Look at this beauty. So we're going to start our marinade for the tilapia. So I set my fresh veggies aside, put in oil in the blender, a little bit of salt, I add in my 2 cubes of bouillon. The ones that I usually use in all of my recipe is the shrimp tablet. And then in goes our parsley, our garlic, our shallots, our green peppers, our cilantro seeds, anise seeds, and allspice seeds as well. Cover it. Now I didn't put everything in there because I just wanted to blend it step by step so it doesn't put a lot of stress on the blender. And then we blend. So now I add in my rosemary. Then the diced onion, ginger, and grain of Ceylon also went in there. I add a little bit of oil, and then we blend. And we set our marinade aside. We're going to work on the side salad or side veggies that goes with the acheke. In another bowl, we put the oil, a little bit of salt to taste, shrimp bouillon, some vinegar, and then we mix. All right, we have a little vinaigrette. Pour it all over the fresh veggies, and then we mix. Get everything together. And then that's Maggi arôme. Gives it a nice flavor. Put a couple of dabs on there. Mix it. And our side veggies is ready. Cover it and set it aside. We're going to move on to acheke. This is a box dehydrated acheke. If you have frozen acheke, you're more than welcome to use it. This one is an easy to go to. So what I do is pour it out into a bowl, and then with boiling water, I put just a little bit, not too much, in there for the attieke to swell up, to get the cooking going. And then you mix it. You don't want it too mushy, kind of like that, just like that. And then you cover it and set it aside. We're going to work on our acheke. So right now that lime went onto the tilapia, we set it aside. Clean the bowl. Bring it back. Put a little bit of marinade in there and on the tilapia. So what we're going to do is season our tilapia with our green marinade. You put a little bit of Maggi arôme over it and a little bit of salt. Just to your preference. If the salt is not enough or seasoning is not enough, you could add any seasoning. All-purpose seasoning should do. Any shrimp bouillon should do as well. But I wanted the taste of the Maggi arôme and the salt. So what I did was put a little bit out there and rub it. So we get our tray and grease it a little bit with cooking spray. So now we transfer our tilapia on there, and then we put it in our oven. So now this is what our acheke look like after we've added the hot water and have it sitting for about 3 minutes. What we're going to do is cover it with a film and put it in the microwave for 1.5 minutes. And then take it out, stir it up, and we'll put it in for another 1 minute. And after, it's done. So what we're going to do is just transfer it in a bigger bowl to fluff it out. Look at that. It's nice and steamy. We'll put a little bit of butter, margarine. Some people put olive oil. I wanted a taste of butter in mine, so I just put a little bit in there. And then the Maggi arôme, a little bit in there. You mix, and while there's still steam in there, after you're done mixing, you cover it up and set it to the side. All right. We're almost done, guys. Almost. Look at this tilapia. Nice and juicy. So one side is grilled. So what we're going to do is flip it over and put it back in the oven for another 5 minutes. And voila, look at this beauty. It's nice and juicy. We actually put it in there on broil for about 10 minutes on the first side, another 10 minutes on the other side. And look at this, nice and juicy. Now our acheke is ready to serve. You put a little bit of acheke on the side. And then tilapia, grilled nice and charred tilapia. And then our side veggies goes on there. And we're ready to eat. Thanks for watching. Don't forget to subscribe and share. And until we meet again, have a wonderful rest of your day.